So it impacts almost all industries. Which is the biggest franchise brand in the world? Coca-Cola. Actually, Coca-Cola is the biggest brand in franchising. 110 years old, more than that, but it is after OK. OK, this most recognized brand in the world. You go to any country with any language, after OK, if anything that people recognize is Coke. Any language in the world, such a power of a brand. This is all franchised. They have nothing of their own. They own the brand and they give a bottler the franchising rights and they go out and sell the businesses. So Coke is actually the biggest franchise business in that thing, but it impacts almost all industries. Anything you're consuming today is coming from a franchise. You go to haircut, it goes to a franchise. Your kids are going to school, they're going to DPS, they're going to Eurokid, Kidsy, entire thing. The courier coming to your home, DTDC, Safe Express, this and that is franchise. Anything, you go to a Path Lab company, Dr. Lal Path Lab or Metropolis, they are franchise. Or Apollo Clinics, they are franchise. Hotels you go, Marriott's, Radisson's, all are franchised. So anything and everything you're consuming, your eyewear you're wearing is a Titan Eye Plus or a Lenskart or entire thing is a franchise. So anything which you're consuming, I'm not saying fashion, I'm saying not food, but a lot of people think that that's only franchise. The gentleman sitting here is pharmacy, so all the pharmacies are franchised. The biggest company in India for franchising is? No. MedPlus is only 1500 outlet and they're half franchise. CCD is also not franchise. They have a smaller format franchise, but that's also about 2000. Bada is about 1400 stores. It's actually Amul, 9000 stores, all franchised. So we don't think obvious. Actually, Amul is now the biggest franchise. What was the biggest franchise in India earlier? Think over it. You will not be able to get it. It was STD PCO shops, which Department of Telecommunications started. They used to give people franchise rights for STD PCO. And it was a lottery system. There were 85,000 franchises in this country. And these were so creative entrepreneurs. Used to take a franchise of STD PCO. Evening it used to be rushed, so then he will put up a small ice cream counter also. Something else also. And people would queue up. Photocopy. So they wanted all creative ideas and that become a big franchise business. Indian Oil is a very big franchise. Hindustan Petroleum is a very big franchise. So these are very, very strong franchise. So it impacts almost all industries.